Boom! What is up, guys, and welcome to the sweet outdoors. It is so nice to be outdoors. It is a beautiful morning. It's about 10 o'clock. It's probably about 65, 70 degrees here in western Tennessee. Got change of season going on. The leaves are falling, changing colors. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. But that's not why we're here today. That's not why we're here. We are here today because we got a new product to review. It's one that I've been thinking about for a while, wanting to check out. Finally decided to go ahead and do it so I can bring you guys a video and check out this product. So let me get it gathered up. We'll be back. We're back. All right. We have a box. It is the Ready America One Person 3-Day Emergency Kit. Right now, disclaimer, this is not a survival kit. This is not a survival kit. This is a emergency kit. Something that you would keep handy, like in the trunk of your car, behind the seat in your truck, for emergency purposes. One person, 3-day emergency kit. Now, this does not have your knife and your cup. This does not cover the 5 C's at all. This has the supplies that you would need. It says that it has the supplies that you would need to get you out of an emergency situation. Not really out of an emergency situation, but make things better until things calm down, like in a, shit hits the fan type of deal or something like that, or break down out in the middle of nowhere, something like that. This has supposed to have what you need to get you through. So let's open it up. I've already cut the box open just to make sure that they sent me the right product, and they did. So let's go ahead and continue. Boom, there it is. As you can see, that's a very small backpack. I could not even wear this, but that's what you got right there. Not a bad deal, guys, so far. One person emergency kit. Life-saving supplies for 3 days. Home, office, school, car. 5-year food and water. That doesn't mean you've got enough water to last you 5 years. That means the shelf life is 5 years. We're going to go ahead and cut off all the the little tabs and stuff that hold everything closed so that people can't steal shit out of it. Because from what I understand, this kit, now I bought this kit off of Amazon. There will be a link on in the description, an Amazon link. But I hear, from what I understand, this kit is also available at Walmart. I haven't looked for it, but I will. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to tear into this pocket right here, see if there's anything in it. I don't know. This is not a well-made backpack, I can tell you that right now. Okay, we have a first aid kit, which is nothing more than an ouchie boo-boo kit. Antiseptic wipes, a couple of band-aids. I think there's some ibuprofen in there. We'll open it up just to see what we have. Antiseptic wipe, another antiseptic wipe, another antiseptic wipe. We got ibuprofen, we got antibiotic ointment, and then we have a couple of different size band-aids, just various size band-aids. Like I said, this is nothing more than an ouchie boo-boo kit. So you get a little scrape, scratch, something like that. You wipe it down with your antibiotic towelette, put some ointment on it, throw a band-aid on it. you don't want infection, especially in an emergency situation. So this is basically just to fight the infection the best way that you can. Not the best emergency kit by far, and given the room that's what I can feel that is available in this backpack, you could put a much better kit than this in there. All right, we have a card. It's a expiration reminder to register your kit if you want to, fire tender. We have an emergency Mylar blanket. Kit's not a kit without one. Like I said, this is not a survival kit, and this is by far from the best kit that you can buy. This kit was $25. Oh, something else in the pocket. A whistle. Cheap plastic, high visibility, orange, little cheap lanyard. Sucker works though. All right, let's put this stuff back in our pocket. And we'll dig into the rest of the kit, which is the most important part of the kit, I think. Okay. We have some rubber gloves and a dust mask. This is not an N95, just so you know. It's a dust mask. We have a glow stick. It says it lasts up to 12 hours. Don't know. We have tissue for cleaning your various orifices. Blowing your nose, wiping your toot. You got 10. We have a very cheap emergency poncho. Very cheap. My suggestion would be to upgrade this, of course. Upgrade this. Upgrade a lot in this kit so far. But again, this is not a survival kit. This is an emergency kit for your car, for your office, for just to have 72-hour emergency kit. FEMA and the Red Cross recommends that you have a 72-hour kit for every person in your household for emergency situations. You know, I'm from Florida. You know, we have a lot of emergency situations with hurricanes. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pouches of emergency drinking water. 4.225 fluid ounces. 5-year shelf life. And it even has the date on the back. So, not bad. Not bad. I mean, it's good. 3 days without water is all you can do. So it's good to have that water in there. And food, we have a 2,400 calorie emergency food ration bar. 5-year shelf life, just like the water. I'm not seeing any information on what flavor this might. Okay, right here. It's really big, bold letters, you know, hide in plain sight. Apple cinnamon. Now, I've tasted an apple cinnamon bar before, emergency ration bar, and it wasn't too bad. Really dry. Really dry. So that's where the water comes into play. But you can see you can see the sections in here. It breaks down into 6 separate bars at 400 calories per bar. So that's pretty good deal right there. Now, save the space by not putting that box back in and just restocking your bag. Putting the stuff back in the bag without that big old bulky box. And still, you have so much freaking room. Look at that. There's your stuff, and you have all of this room to fill up, which brings me to my next subject. The next video on this bag will be upgrading this bag. We're going to turn this bag into a true 72-hour emergency kit. I'm talking equipped with fire starter. Your 5Cs are going to be in this bag. You know, container, combustion, coverage. That is terrible. I just forgot. Combustion, coverage, cordage, container, and cutting. Okay, brain fart. That's right. We're going to put a knife. We're going to put some kind of a container, some kind of coverage. We're going to put a fire starter. We're going to make this a true emergency kit. You might not be stuck on the highway next to a Waffle House that's always open. You might be way out in the woods somewhere in your truck or your car. Who knows the situation? I'm out here right now on the side-by-side. This would be a perfect thing to have in your side-by-side. What if you're out doing some work on your property? Side-by-side breaks down or something like that. You have no cell service and it's just too far to walk. You got bad weather coming in, whatever the situation. It's always a good idea to have an emergency pack. We're going to make this a true emergency pack. This one right here, yes, I've got food, I've got water. I got some Band-Aids. Okay, great. Okay, well, what if it's 20 degrees outside? I need a fire. I need to keep warm. We're going to make sure our kit has everything that we need. You know, that's, one of my things that I always say when I do these kits. Make it your own, guys. And that's what we're going to do. This is a great little starter kit. Cheap, 25 bucks. But it doesn't have everything that you need. That's my opinion, of course. Some people are going to harp. I can tell them. I see it already. I can read the comments right now, right there. That's cheap stuff. It is. You're right. It is. It is. But this is an unboxing review video. That's what this is. I'm not telling you to go buy this. It would help the channel if you'd use the link below to purchase this off Amazon. But I'm not telling you to go buy this. But I am saying that you do need a 72-hour kit, an emergency kit, whether it's in your vehicle somewhere handy, somewhere very accessible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. That way you're aware next time these videos drop. And once again, I just want to say thank you for you guys hanging in there, sticking around. I know it's been a while since I've done some videos. It's been hectic. Everything is starting to ease out and everything. I'm getting used to the shift work again and getting back to all that, getting everything taken care of. I'm learning a new area, got a new relationship going, learning the ins and outs of that, how complicated that can be. Luckily for me, the woman that I'm seeing, we have known each other for well over 30 years. So that made it a little bit easier, and it is going great, guys. And I'm really hoping that it stays that way. And I'm absolutely enjoying myself up here. I really love it. I'm learning the farm life. We've got 80 plus acres here, about 80 acres here, that when I'm done with this video, I gotta do some mowing. But that's part of it. We got deer feeders up, we got bird feeders up, we got all kind of stuff that we've got to deal with. And that's just part of life, guys. And I'm still going to be bringing you guys videos. I got a couple more videos planned out within the next week or so. It's going to be a little hard because starting today I'm on the evening shift, but I only got it for 3 days, and then I got some time off before I run into the midnight shift again. Woohoo! So with all that, I'm going to go ahead and close this out so I can get to mowing before I go to work. Be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people.